how to create a free website for business 2024. So this is a step-by-step process that I'm going to walk you through how to create your own amazing looking website just like this for your business. Okay, so let's go right into the tutorial. Look inside the video description. I'm having a link of this platform. Click on it and it's going to bring you right here to this platform. Come here and then come and click on sign up for free. Okay, so after clicking on it, what you're going to do is that you're going to create an account. Okay, simply come here and then come and click on sign up with your Google in one click. When you click on it, what you're going to do is that you're going to sign in using your Gmail account. So all that you have to do is just come here and then come and put in your Gmail account, go through the short process, and then you'll be logged in directly into your dashboard just like this one. Okay, so when you come to your dashboard, when you come down here where we have the projects, just come and then click on the projects, and then over here we are going to create our first project. So we can do that by simply coming here and then come and click on create new project. Okay, so when you click on it, what you have to do now is to name the project. Okay, we can simply do that by simply coming here where it says enter the project name, and then come and put in the project name. Right, so I'm going to call my online business. Okay, and then come down here and then come and click on create project. So after clicking on it, you will see that your projects have been created successfully. When you come here where you have the three dots, when you click on it, you can edit your project and then you can delete it if you don't want it. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to just come and then click on the project, and then you will be logged into your project just like this one. Now we can build our first website. What you have to do now is to simply come here where it says create new, come and click on the down arrow, and then you can create a blank website or a complete one. Okay, so come and select a complete website and then let's create one. So we are going to go through this step-by-step process to create our website. So what you're going to do now is that just come here and then come and put in the name of your website right here. Okay, it is very important. So I'm going to call my Benny's Cake. Okay, that is my business that I'm going to call. And then when you are done, just come here and then come and select the purpose of the website. Okay, so what is this website for? Just look through and then select any. But I'm going to select for a local business because it is my business that I'm creating. You can also come here and then change the language if you want, and then just come here where it says the continue when you are ready, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, after that, what you have to do is to describe your business so that the AI can create the website for you. Okay, so you can always come here where it says write using AI and then click on it so that the AI will also generate a short description for your business for you, just like this one. Okay, one thing that you have to always notice is when you are starting your business, okay, just make sure to come and then change it to the original one that you started with. Okay, and then simply come here where it says improve using AI. You can always click on it for it to regenerate a different one for you. When you are ready, and then come here and then click on continue. Okay, the next thing that we have to do is that we have to tell them how people can get in contact with us by simply coming here where it says email address, and then come and put in your email address here, and then come here and then come and put your phone number. It should be a business phone number. Okay, and then the address to come and put in your business address. It is very necessary. One thing that you can also do is to add your social media handles to it by clicking on the plus sign, and you can add any of these social media handles to it. Okay, but since I'm creating it, I'm simply going to skip all these by clicking on skip step. Okay, so when I click on it, the next thing is to select images, a free stock images for my website. Okay, so just go through the images and then select as many as you can, and then the selected images will be shown here. Don't select more than 20 images. Okay, you can always upload your own images if you have one as well by clicking here. So when you are done, just come down here where it says the continue, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so now we have to choose the structure of our website. It is very important. We have all these structures that you can look through and then select the one that you want. You can do that by simply putting the mouse on it to show from top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. So I'm going to select this one. It looks nice and then it fits the preferences of my business. This is what I'm going to simply select. So all that I have to do is to simply click on it and then it will be selected for me. Okay, so after selecting it, over here you can upload your business logo by simply clicking on upload file here. You can always change the website font by selecting any of these, but I'm going to leave it at default. You can also change the color palette by also selecting any of these. but I'm going to leave it at default. You can always preview your website in the desktop mode, in the tablet mode, and then the mobile mode as well. Okay, so when you are done, just come here where it says the continue, and then come and click on continue. You can select any of these features to be added to your website. Okay, you have the donation. If you want to select it, just come and then check the box. Beside that one too, you can also uncheck it so that it will not be added. We also have the automation here, you can add it. We also have the important thing, which is the video player, that you can also add as well. We also have the sales funnels here that you can check it to be added, and then the free live chat by simply checking the box for it to be added to your website. Okay, so I'm going to skip all this, so I'm simply going to click on skip and then start building. And we are almost there. As it says, congratulations, this is a layout. We have our business name here, we have the description here, and then we have the contact. Okay, so just come and then click on start building the website. And over here, just wait, sit and then relax for the AI to build your website for you in few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, wow, we have successfully created or built our business website, and then we have our login details to log in directly into our website. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to copy this and then put it somewhere. We can always come here and then click on customize to customize our website. So come and click on the copy, put it somewhere, and then come and open your website URL, okay, by clicking on the open. So now over here it says that the website needs to be hosted. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it. So just come and click on OK and then click on submit. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully created our cake business website, which is looking awesome. I really love the website. Okay, it's looking nice. Okay, so what we have to do now is that we have to come and then log into our WordPress dashboard by simply coming to our URL and then come and add wp-admin and then hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, we are then going to be asked to put in our username and then the password. Okay, so come and put in the username and then the password, and then come and click on the login, the one that you copied. Okay, so after that, we'll be logging directly into our WordPress dashboard. We can come here to the business and then come and click on visit site, and then our website is here, live, looking good, excellent, just for business in local. Okay, so what you have to know is that over here it says that the website is going to expire within 24 hours. Yes, the website builder that we use to create the website does not host our website. So now we need a hosting platform to host our website. I'm going to walk you through how to get a free hosting platform to host this website. So let's go to the dashboard and then click on it. So when you click on it, what you have to do is to just come here to the plugins, and then under the plugins we have the add new plugins. Just come and then click on it. Okay, and then come here and then search for this plugin called WP Vivid, this one, and then hit enter. So when you search for it, just come and then select this one. Over here it says install now, come and then click on it. Okay, and then wait for it to come to activate, just like this, and then come and click on activate, wait for it to be activated, and simply go to your dashboard. Okay, and then click on it. So within the dashboard, just come to the settings, and then under the settings you are going to see the WP Vivid backup here. Click on it and then come right here where it says backup manually. Come down and then make sure that the database plus files is checked, and then save to backup to local is also checked as well. Okay, then come here and then come and click on the backup. So when you click on it, just relax for the website to be backed up. So as you can see, it is backing up our website for us. Okay, so what you have to do now is to just come here where it says backups, just come down here, and then you are going to see the backup right here. Okay, so when you go to the right hand side, you are going to see the download. So the download is here. Under the download, just come and click on the download, and then just come down here where it says files. Under the files, you are going to see the file size and then the download here. Click on the download. Okay, so after clicking on the download, you are going to see that it is downloading. Wait for it to finish downloading, and when it's finished downloading, just come and then open this folder. Okay, so now we have downloaded our completed business website. Now we need a hosting platform to host it, and I'm going to show you how to get a free hosting platform. Okay, so what you have to do is that let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, click on it and then leave it on it, and then let's go to Google. Okay, so now all that you have to do is just go to Google and then type in byte.host, just like this one, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it will bring you right here to their hosting platform, which is free. Okay, so just come here the top side where it says free hosting, and then come and select free hosting plan. Just scroll down here to the button. Okay, just come down, and then where it says sign up for a free plan, this one, just come and then click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, what you have to do is to just go through a short sign up process by simply coming here to put in your subdomain name, then you put in your password, you come and then put in your email address, then come and select the site category. Okay, I'm just simply going to select personal. Okay, and then come here where it says the site language, then come and select English. What you have to do now is to just come here where it says the security code, come here and then enter what you see right here. Okay, put it in this box, then come and then click on register. So I'm going to choose a subdomain name and I'm going to name it Benny's Cake. Okay, so all that I have to do is just click on register now, and then when you click on it, they are going to send you an email verification right into your inbox. Okay, and what you have to do is that you have to check it. If it does not come, just come and then click on this link and they are going to send it right to you. So now let's go into our email. So when you come into your email, the first thing you have to do is to come and check your spam folder. Okay, by simply coming and then click on the spam folder, and then over here you are going to see this message. Just click on it and then come and click on report not spam. Okay, just click on report not spam, and then it will go right into your inbox. So come into your inbox and then click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to see the message right here. Click on it, and then what you have to do is that over here, as you can see, we have successfully registered. Okay, just come here, the link showing here, just come and then click on this link. So when you click on the link, you might come across this message showing that we have activated it already. Okay, it mostly happens. What you have to do is that come back to this page and then go to the top side where we are having the free hosting. Just come and then select the free hosting plan again, and then come and go through the same process again by simply coming to click on the sign up for a plan. Okay, don't worry, just come and then enter the exact same information that you provided during the first one, then come and click on the register. Then go to your email, they will send you a new message, and then come here and then come and click on the link. Okay, so after clicking on the link, you are going to be given your login details just like this one. Everything is going to be here. Okay, so what you have to do is to just come and then copy your control panel username, and then come here and then visit your website by simply coming to click on this link. Okay, so when you click on it, it will come saying that we have successfully created our hosting. Okay, so it is activated. So now we can simply log into our control panel by simply come here where it says the control panel URL, come and then open it. Okay, so when you click on it, first, what you have to do is that you have to come and then accept their cookies by clicking on got it. And then just come in and come and put in the username that you copied right here to the username part, and then come in and come and put in your password. Okay, after that, just come in and come and click on log in. So after that, what you have to do is to just come in and come and click on I approve, and then you are going to be logging directly into your control panel. Just come and then locate the Subtaclos app installer and then click on it, and then come here where it says WordPress, and then come and click on the install. Okay, so after clicking on it, what you have to do is to just come to the install part, click on the down arrow, and then come and select quick install. Okay, and then what you have to do is to just come here where we have the admin account, come and put in the admin username that you want. Okay, come and then put in the password that you want. You can always click on this key to regenerate a new password for you. After doing that, what you have to do is to just come down here where it says install, and then come and click on install. Okay, and then your WordPress is going to be installed in a few minutes for you. So as you can see, congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Okay, so you can simply come and then log into it by clicking on this URL. So come and then click on it. So when you click on it, we'll be logging directly into our WordPress. And what you have to do is that we have to update our WordPress. So as you can see, the update is available. Just come and click on please update now. Okay, and then what you have to do is to just come down here where it says update to version, come and click on it, and then wait for your WordPress to be updated. What you have to do is just come to your dashboard and then click on it, and you can see that you have successfully updated it. Okay, now what you have to do is that we have to upload our website on this new hosting. So just go to the plugins, and then under the plugin, just come and then click on add new plugins, and then come and search for WP Vivid, just like this one. And then when it comes, just come here, this one and then come and select it and then click on install now. Okay, wait for it to finish installing and then come and click on activate. Okay, so when you click on it, it will be activated, and what you have to do is to just go to your dashboard and then click on it. So within the dashboard area, just come to the settings, and then under the settings you are going to see the WP Vivid Backup right here. What you are going to do is that we are going to upload our website by come here and then come and click on upload, and then just come here and then come and click on select file. Okay, click on it and then come and select the website file by clicking on open, and then it will be selected here. So as you can see, our zip file is here. Simply come and then come and click on upload, and then simply wait for it to go through the uploading process for you. So as you can see, it is uploading, and when it's finished, this pop-up will come saying that the upload has been completed, and just come and click on OK. So after that, all that you have to do is just scroll down here under the backup section. You are going to see the backup right here. Okay, so as you can see, it is right here, and then when you go here, you see that we have the restore. Under the restore, just come and click on restore. Okay, all that you have to do is to just come here where it says restore and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, it will show up this pop-up, and then all that you have to do is to just click continue for it to continue. Okay, so all that you have to do is to just allow it for it to be restored. So as you can see, restoring is in progress. Okay, so just wait, sit back, and then when it is done, you see that it shows that 100% restored, and then this will come restored has been successful. Then come and click on OK. Okay, so now we have to log in into our WordPress dashboard by simply coming here to put in the login details. What you have to do is to just go to the ZipWP and then come here to all sites and then click on it. Over here, we are going to see the site that we have created, and then just come here under the action, just come and click on the three dots, and then come here and then come and click on the login credentials. Okay, so what you are going to do is that we are going to copy this login, the username first. Just come here and then come and click on the copy for it to be copied, and then let's go back to our login and then come and paste it right here to the username. Then come here and then come and copy the password as well by clicking on it, and then just come here and then come and paste it, and then come and click on logged in. So we'll be successfully logging into our dashboard just like this. Just go to the dashboard and then click on it, and then over here we can simply go and then visit our website by going here, then click on visit site. Okay, so as we can see, we have successfully uploaded our business website on a free web hosting without paying anything. Okay, so this is amazing, awesome looking business websites that we have created for our business. Okay, so now if we want to customize our business website, all that you have to do is to just come here to the customize and then click on it. Okay, and then when you click on it, you have all these to just pick from and then use it to customize your website to fix your preference. Beside that one too, you can also put the mouse on any of these, and then you can just click on the edit, and then it will be edited for you to fit your preference. Okay, so when you are done editing it and then you are okay with the preferences and everything looks nice for you, you can simply come and then publish it. Okay, by simply coming here in the top section where we have the publish, and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on the publish, your website will be live, and then you can start your business postings as well. One of the important aspects of every business website is the SSL. Okay, so over here when you put the mouse here and then you click on it, it says not secured. It says connection to this site is not secured. It simply means that our SSL certificate was not installed automatically when we were building our website. Okay, so we have to install an SSL certificate, and then it is also free as well. I'm having this video on my channel. Just go and then check it out from the channel and then watch how to install a free SSL certificate for your business website.